5 books you should read if you want to learn more about AI. This is not an advertisement for these books or their publishers. This is just our favorite books about the subject. We have received no payment for making this list. Artificial intelligence is a complicated subject, and any person who does not work with it or have a relevant education to it may see it as something for scientists and nerds. Although the rabbit hole is immensely deep, most people are able to learn what AI is and the basics of how it works very quickly. To make this easier, we have created a small guide containing the books we believe you should start with if you want to learn more about AI, its challenges, upsides, and in general how it most likely will impact our society. This list will include 4 books for the general public and another for the especially interested. Life 3.0: Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, by Max Tegmark. In Life 3.0, Tegmark brings up challenges and benefits we might reap from AI in the near and distant future. We don't know what will happen in technology in the next years, but we should be very well aware of what we want and how we should proceed to reach these goals. AI has tremendous upsides, but as with any software, it could also be very dangerous if a glitch or bug appears in a critical situation. Mr. Tegmark discusses these challenges and sheds a bright light on the ethical challenges that we face when we program AI in general. If you want to learn more about the human thinking hiding behind the code of AI, Life 3.0 is a must-read. AI Superpowers, China, Silicon Valley and the New World Order, by Kai-Fu Lee. China has shown great interest in betting big on AI. Dr. Kai-Fu discusses how China will be a large contributor to this new industrial revolution and the different stages of it, the commercial, physical and autonomous. The discussion then moves on to how we as a society should create new jobs to supplement the growth of AI. Superintelligence, Paths, Dangers, Strategies, by Nick Bostrom. What will happen when we create an AI that have higher general intelligence than us? Bostrom discusses this and draws parallels to similar everyday situations to make it an easily readable book. Toss in some history about artificial intelligence and you got yourself the book to read this summer. International collaboration, simulation and a lot more is what you can expect to learn. In short, what can we do to prevent a dystopian future while still benefiting from artificial intelligence? Homo Deus, A Brief History of Tomorrow, by Yuval Noah Harari. Yuval Noah Harari picks up where he left us at the end of Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. In Homo Deus he discusses the possibility of a growing social class of useless human beings. Comparing the intellectual revolution to previous industrial revolutions, there has always been jobs that have perished and made way for new jobs. He brings forth the question that the same humans that lose their jobs to AI are not the same that will be able to adapt to the new digital world of self-driving trucks, robotized supermarkets and such alike. There is indeed a lot of challenges with widespread usage of AI and automation of jobs, and Harari discusses this in an easily readable and digestible way. Absolutely recommended. Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. This is honestly a university-level textbook about the subject and is filled with pretty heavy reading. If you are not above average interested in math, statistics, logic and physics, we do not recommend that you pick up this book. However, if you are interested in the things mentioned above, we highly recommend this book. It gives a warm welcome to people who have no previous experience with artificial intelligence and explains step by step how artificial intelligence works and the different usages of it. Theoretical and practical examples are in good supply and thoroughly explained. If you want to learn about AI by yourself and someday work with it, this book is highly recommended.